Good morning, children. How are you? So today we will do in our EVS activity book. Okay. So remove your EVS activity book, page number 90. You have to remove your page number 90. Okay. So what is given over here? Color the circle below the things you carry to school. आप लोगों को वही थिंग्स के नीचे कलर करना है जो आप स्कूल में लेके जाते हो. मीन्स यू हैव टू कलर that only things that you carry to school. Okay, so now we will see what is our first picture. I will take and you have to color in the circle given here. Okay, मैं खाली टिक करूंगी, आप लोगों को कलर करना है. So first is what? Bag, school bag. So we take school bag now. So you have to color in this circle. I am taking it, you have to color it. Now next, what is given? Top means we say it in Hindi bhavra. We don't take this to school because this is a playing thing. So we don't take it to school. So we don't have to do anything. Now third picture is what? Book. Yes, we carry books to school. So you have to color in this circle. Now third is what? Crayons. Yes, we take crayons to school. Yes. So you have to color in this circle. Now fifth picture is what? Scale, eraser, pencil. Yes, because we take this and we write it with pencil and we erase it with eraser. So you have to color it. Okay, this circle. Now sixth picture, chair. We don't take school ना, chair हम school में नहीं लेके जाते हैं. So we don't have to do anything. Now what is this? Car. So someone go by van. Someone go by van, someone go by car. So you have to color this circle. Okay, आपको color करना है कार के नीचे. Now which picture is this? Water bottle. Yes, we take water bottle to school. हम water bottle में ही पानी डाल के लेकर जाते हैं. So we have to color this circle too. Okay. Now what is this picture? Balloon. We don't take balloon to school na, because we play with it. So we don't take. So you don't have to do anything. So which things you have to color? School bag, book, crayon, pencil, eraser and scale, car and water bottle. You don't have to color other things. Okay? आप जो स्कूल में लेकर जाते हो आपको वही कलर करना है. Okay? So page number 19 you have to do it as your homework for today. Now we will go to page number 20. So what is given over here? Color the circle below the things you see in your classroom. First that page was what you take to school. Now this page is that in your classroom which things are kept. So you have to color that only things. Okay, you don't have to color other things. So we'll see. First is what? Table. Teacher's table. Yes, it is kept in our classroom. So you have to color in this circle. Next is what? Iron. We don't see it in school. So you don't have to color this circle. Okay. Now third is what? Duster. Yes, duster is used in our classroom. So you have to color it. Now which picture is this? Monkey. So monkey we don't see in our classroom na. We see it in jungle. So you don't have to color it. Now which picture is this? Sofa. So sofa you see in your classroom? No. We don't see sofa in our classroom. So you don't have to color it. Okay. Now which picture is this? Chalk. Yes, we see chalk in our classroom now. Because in board we write it with chalk only. So you have to color it. Okay. In this circle. Now which picture is this? Dustbin. Yes, dustbin is kept in our classroom. Yes, we throw all waste paper in our dustbin. So you have to color it in this circle. Now which picture is this? Mixture grinder. Yes, we don't see it in our classroom. We see it at our home. So you don't have to color it. Now last picture is what? Blackboard. Yes, you see blackboard. So it is kept in our classroom. So you have to color it. So which pictures you have to color? Teacher's table, duster, chalk, dustbin and blackboard. Okay, these things you have to color it because these things are kept in our classroom. Okay. So this is your homework for today. That is page number 20. First page was page number 19. This is page number 20. Now we'll go to page number 20. So what is written over here? Circle the objects used by a teacher in the classroom. Here teacher is given and in round the things are given. So teacher uses which things you have to circle only that. Okay, so first what we will see, chalk. Yes, teacher uses chalk. So you have to circle chalk. Now second, duster. Yes, teacher uses duster also. So you have to circle duster. Now this is map. Yes, teacher uses map also to show all the places and directions. Now what is this? Which picture is this? Nail cutter. So teacher don't use nail cutter. So you don't have to circle it. Okay. Now which picture is given over here? Mixture grinder. So teacher doesn't use mixture grinder. So you don't have to circle it. Now which picture is given? Book. Yes, teacher uses book. So you have to circle book. Okay. So now which picture is given over here? Blackboard. Yes, blackboard is used by teacher. So you have to circle blackboard. Okay. And even you have to circle pencil, eraser and scale. So which picture you will circle? So first is chalk, duster, map. Then book, blackboard, pencil, eraser and scale. So these things are used by teachers. So page number 19, 20 and 21 is your homework for today. Okay. So page number 19, 20 and 21 is your homework for today. This is your homework for today. Okay children, we'll meet again next time. Bye everyone.